Welcome to Midtherm Laser.
We are a subcontract laser cutting and forming specialist. We're based in Dudley in the Black Country. We're currently running 4 fibre lasers from 3 kilowatt up to 12 kilowatt. This means we can cut from 0.5mm all the way up to 30mm thick material. The biggest bed size we have is 4 metres by 2 metres. We laser cut for a wide range of industries, such as agriculture, such as tractor parts, automotive, theme park rides and public art. You can see some of these on the canals and roundabouts in the Black Country and beyond. We also cut simple shapes such as squares, circles and rectangles, but these are just as important. If you're in the market for any laser cutting or forming, and you'd like any more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.